Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at Creators Theory. In today's video, we'll see how to create a logo animation in Filmora. These are basic 2D logo animations that we create in Filmora using various graphics and multiple tools. But before starting this tutorial, if you don't have the latest version of Filmora, make sure you download it from the link in the description below. And if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to our channel to see more amazing Filmora related tutorials. The video comprises of two parts. In the first part, we will be creating the graphics, and in the second part, we will be using those graphics and animating them in Filmora. So as you can see, I am in Canva. So this is the tool that we will be using to create the graphics that we need. So first here we will be selecting the YouTube thumbnail template and we'll be clicking on that. So this will create a 1280 into 720p resolution template for us. So once we have created this, so we will be needing three things. The first thing is the ball, the small ball that you saw. So I will go here in the elements and I will drag this circle from this shape. So I will scale it down to the size and then place it over here. Now next, what we will do, we will use the same circle, same shape, but in the increased size. So this is the size we use, and in the third one again we'll use the same shape, but this time we'll add the initials of our logo. So I will be using CT as the initial. Let me add it over here, and then I will select this, or I can go with this. Let me just increase the size, place this in the middle, change the color that suits the style, and let me add a little background and little animation, little shadow to this one. Let it be a black shadow, dark shadow. And the last one we need is a background. So I already have added, if you go in styles, you can see my color palette. So as you can see, we have used this blue. So I will be using a similar color in the background so that it complements it. So let me use this. As you can see, this will complement this color. And once we are done with all these, what we'll do, we will go into downloads and we'll select this as PNG, select this transparent background, and first we'll download only the three circles that we have created, and the last one will be just PNG and no transparent background. So I will select this, click on done and click on download. So once this is done, we'll meet in the second part of this video where we will be using all these graphics and animating them in Filmora. Hey guys, welcome to the second part of this Filmora intro animation. So as you can see, I've ordered all the graphics that we created on Canva into this bin, and now we'll be using Filmora to animate this graphic. So first let me just bring the background. So this plain template that you create, this will use as a background. So I will stretch it to 7 seconds so that the animation takes for 7 seconds is the total animation duration. And then I will go into transitions, and here I will select the plane shape transition, and I will be using the plane shape 20. So let me just drag this into the timeline. I will decrease it. So if we play, as you can see, this is the transition. So then I will go back into the media folder. I will drag down the small ball that we created, and let me just decrease this. I will go a few frames ahead. As you can see, it is at the center right now. I will double click on it and click on add. So keyframe has been added. Now what I will do, I will go take the playhead to the first frame, and I will move this ball out of this frame. So you can see a keyframe animation has been created. if I go ahead, the ball drops. I will go ahead a little bit more. Now what I will do, I will move this a little up. So as you can see, another key animation has been created. I'll move it a little ahead again, and I will center it this time. So now if we play this, let me just click on OK, and let's just play this. So I think it is a little bit fast, so let me just stretch this, and let's now see how it looks. Okay, I think still it is a little bit fast. So I think now it's perfect. So what we'll do in this last frame, we'll give it a 2-3 frames gap, and we'll close this, and here we will add this bigger one. And what we'll do in the first frame, we will try to match this with this smaller circle. So we'll double click on it, and we'll scale this to around smaller size. So if you can see, this is the same size, almost same size, and then we'll take it a few seconds ahead, few frames ahead, and we'll scale this to 70%, and let's just see the animation right now. So that's 70%. And now what I will do, I will decrease this overall, and now I will bring the last animation that we created, which is of this logo, and I will double click on it, and I will scale this to 70. Click on OK. Okay, this is a keyframe. So what I will do, I will not be using keyframe. I will just go and click on image, and I will use the transform option to make it 70. So click on OK. Now that's the animation, and I will close it in 7 seconds. Now what I will do, I will add, as you can see, there were multiple elements in the video. So these were the inbuilt elements I used from Filmora. So this is the first element. Let me just add it over here. So this is the element, and this same element I used at the droplet effect. So this was at the first droplet over here. So that was so what I did, I just decreased the size a little bit, and I centered it. So let's just see now how it looks. So as you can see, and I have also added some sound effects. So let me just add there is a water bubble effect that I've added. So I will add this over here, and again I will add this over here where this transition hits, and we have a soundtrack that we added. So we'll adjust this along with so now let's just play this intro and see how it looks. And then at the end we'll finish it off by adding the transition again while closing this intro. So we'll close this, and if you want, as you can see, I had added a text over here. So I will go into titles, I will drag a simple text, and over here I'll just name it Creators Theory, and I will place it below, center it. I'll use this bold. In animation I will just add a simple simple animation over here, and that's it. Let's just play it once. So that's a simple Filmora intro animation, intro logo animation. I hope you guys like this logo animation, and if you want to see more logo animation, then do mention in the comment section below. I will be creating more logo animations in the future videos. And if you want to see more animation related videos, we have created motion graphics and animation related videos, so you can check that out by clicking in the top right corner. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, then give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. That's it from my side, guys. See you guys in another video. Till then, see ya.